Video 2. Wiring the CTC-060 electric cylinder. First, we connect the control box to the power. It is used for digital control via the buttons. When we output the signals via IO-Link, we can only get the power from the control box. Therefore, only the power cable is used, the one with the 4 poles, and connected to the electric cylinder. Here it must be noted that the power cable is firmly connected to the electric cylinder. To check this, the plug can be moved back and forth by screwing it on to guarantee a faultless connection. Now we use the gray control cable that is connected to the USB master. We connect it to the signal socket of the electric cylinder. Now the USB master is connected to the computer. If the power cable is connected correctly, the REF lamp lights up orange. If the USB master is connected correctly, the RAN lamp lights up green.